Get the eye wash station.
Safety first.
I can't lie, I'm a little bit nervous to stand close to the front of this thing, but I think we're gonna do it.
I don't think I'm gonna tune this, to be honest with you.
Really?
It'll never be right. It's just like with the O2s and the MAF housing, this setup's just not gonna work. It'd have to get like a, I don't even think Motec has a plug and play for this. I think it's only for the port injected only.
What ECUs are you running?
Stock.
Oh, which that's the problem?
You can't do proper speed density. You have to do MAF based, pretty much. It's a blend, but you can't do speed density only on these. And just the diameter of the MAF and then how it's configured in that intake tube, it's just not, there's too much, I wouldn't say reversion, but it's just too much. It needs like an airflow straightener. It's just not gonna play nice.
Is that good enough for you?
We're honeycombing, bro.
Are we ready to rock?
No, don't rock until I say so. Till I say so!
Can you tell if that air straightener is working better now?
Much better. Probably hear it.
Yeah?
But yeah, much better.
That was loud.
That was a lot of boost.
It just went yee. What were you seeing?
28 pounds.
Off the bat.
Well, we're gonna have to pop these wastegates off. We're doing it, Giordini.
What are you doing now?
It made a ton of boost, so just checking things out. Verifying. Definitely made more than 10 pounds is what the wastegate springs are. So.
What's this line you're hooking up?
It's just to the dyno.
So you can measure boost more accurate.
Yeah.
lot for us.
Not a whole lot. And then it's 12 pounds. 12 pounds boost.
760. What did you say?
It said that the pumps aren't triggering, so we're gonna have to inspect that.
Yeah, I don't.
Will it look good?
He said it did, yeah. So that's the fuel pressure regulator for the second pump, or is it total?
Injection.
Oh, gotcha. I'm just here for the free grants. I could see it in the video. It's leaking fuel right here. That's why it's leaning out, I bet. It's still leaking if you look.
Yeah.
It's pissing pretty good. It's going down. Like it soaked my finger immediately, so. Face it, but.
Can you see anything?
No, it works fine. Get the eye wash station. Bro, what are the chances?
He is okay. He's in there washing out his eyes. That was... Now I'm sketched out. Now I gotta film you just in case it happens to you. Just don't look down the barrel. That's why you never look down the barrel. I'm gonna step back over here.
You save that. They gotta pay $29.99 a month for that footage. Don't start it yet. I just wanna. I mean, it's dry right now. You can start it and see. Just be ready.
Safety first.
Well. All right, go ahead.
My eyes are burnt from that. The fumes. It's like day 5 of tuning the Mustang now. As Kevin has talked about, it's been being a little finicky here and there, but we're almost to the finish line. So this hopefully is the last day. This thing will be on the dyno so we can get it back to our customers. Let's go. That seemed like a clean one all the way through.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get the torque stuff cleaned up. It's just very time consuming.
765. Oh, he's done.
You got my suds in there too. I sound pretty suddy. So, reason being that this thing has been a conglomerate is because the factory 40 ECU is a little bit difficult to work with. Just kind of went through most of the map points that I needed. Got the speed density cables correct. Went back and forth between the mainline map sensor, setting up the speed density tables into the 40 ECU, then getting desired load and actual load to match via the torque and inverse tables. That's why I got a lot of the stuff right, and then wide open throttle would be wrong. Part pedal would be wrong, but wide open throttle would be right. So it's just a lot of massaging, a lot of different shit. It's mostly just the ETC scaler, the throttle stuff, and then to the inverse torque tables, making the speed density work. It's pretty easy to do. A lot of people just do the math and call it good. Don't worry about speed density tables, but being that this has a giant oval inlet, you don't always have the cleanest
MAF signal, and these things rely heavily on a clean MAF signal to work properly. So I went through, did the extra legwork, did the speed density stuff, got it sorted. It's going to be on gate, 10 pounds. It's plenty of power for 93 octane. Just like pretty much just right around the 770 point. It's going to move around a little bit based on, you know, timing and stuff, because the ECU has full control over that. Other than that, yeah, I mean, it would just need a boost controller and then dual map. I would not set this up on flex fuel because these ECUs only support inferred flex fuel, where it goes off the O2 sensor, and the O2 sensor is so close to the exhaust that it's so close to an opening of the exhaust that it would just kind of skew everything. So it would be like a dual map type deal tune, but he's just leaving it on 93, leaving it here for now after probably like 7 days of tooling with it. Just a lot of calculators and histograms I had to make and download and get and this and that, and it's not easy. These things are not easy. But we made it, and it should drive good and run good, start good. No leaks, no funny business. All I had to do was put gas in it, so that's nice.
And get sprayed in the eye one time.
I got sprayed. I got hosed down. No, I got it in the mouth. That it splattered. Yeah, this thing battled me for 6 or 7 days now. So it is what it is. But now I'm into the next project of the nitrous Camaro. Just throw me for the loops this winter. But nah, it's all good. See ya.